Okay, so we're going to be working on a relatively large piece of paper. It's, I believe, 24 by 18. So whichever side you write on is going to be your back. So you'll put your first name, and all this is going down in the bottom right-hand corner. Last name, then you're going to put the block you're in, and whether you're A or B day. Yes, you are hearing my husband and my daughter in the background. It's nighttime. It's time to go to bed. So bath and all that is going on right now. So then you'll flip it over. You do not want anything on this side. Okay? So in class, I know I was not here, but you looked at the Tim Burton slideshow. In the slideshow, one of the first things you get to when you're looking at the drawings is frames. So the first thing that you do when you get to your final is your frame. The reason why is because if you know how big your frame is and where your frame is, then you can better position your person. So let's see. I'm gonna try to do the ovalish looking one that I see. So I'm just gonna come on my paper. And I'm lightly drawing an oval that touches almost the corners of my paper. Well, all edges of my paper, I should say. So now that I have that, and I know you can't see everything I'm doing, I'm working in pencil, it's really light. The best I can do is get about that close. You won't be able to see my whole paper as I work, but that's okay. Alright, so I think the top of my frame will be right here. So I'm going to bring this up like this. This comes out like this. And my natural instinct is to curve it into it, but you don't want to do that. Not for this, because that's not how this one works. It's a very pokey thing, a pokey one, so I actually need to go back and uncurve my corners. I am drawing darker than I normally would want you to draw so that you can see what I'm doing. So then, sorry, I'm trying to work with a limited space here. Bring it down. I'm going to go all the way to the edge with my frame. And then start to bring it in. Remember, if you draw too dark, what's going to happen is you're going to leave dark marks behind that you don't want. Then I'm going to come in. Okay, so now that I have my frame out done, I'm going to come in and put my little shiny marks. And I'm going to grab my Sharpie. And yes, I am doing my frame. I'm outlining it now. So I'm going to do this. I need to check to see if this marker works. Not ideal. Ooh, that's nice. So I'm just going to come in and just like I said in the last project, you're going to pull towards you. I got to be careful because I am working on a pretty bumpy table. Hi, Raylan. Blue crayon? Yeah?
Blue crayon.
Okay, so once you have your frame done, you will go through, erase your pencil, and then I will show you the next part. So that's the end for the first part.